Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, yes, it's Thursday, August the 5th, 2021, we have only here one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. Seven. There are seven extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number. Let me zoom this out. Yes, this will be a number 3199. 3199. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 in this big square. So no 9 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 4. We see here 4. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have an 8 and a 5 here. So no 8 and a 5 in this box. The 8 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So in the row between. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 4 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 4. Okay. Then. Let me see. Okay. We have a pair. We have a 5 and a 7 in this column, the first column. We have a 5 and a 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 in the last row. So no 9 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 4. So here we have a 9 and a 4. The other pair in this big square are the missing numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. All right. Here we have 7 and a 4 in this big square. The other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and the 2 again. 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. All right. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. All right. All right. How about... Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Then... Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. And a 9 is missing. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 4, 4, and a 9. We have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 4, 4. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. 1 box left in the second column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 6 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 4. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 7 and 5. 7 and 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and a 9 is missing. We see a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, I'm very impressed. Yes, fast one to solve and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, for the rest of the puzzles. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. And until then, bye-bye for now.